morning all. My name is Josie Martinez. I'm here at 3110 Harrison Street doing this lovely open house on this home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, La Vega School District. The square footage on the home is 1272, and we are down the street from Sam's, H.E.B, and all the new stores on this side, which we got Chick-fil-A, Whataburger, McDonald's, Walmart. So we're pretty nice, centrally located in this area. I have my partner Manny come inside, and he'll give you the tour of this grand, lovely home.
Welcome. Beautiful floors all throughout. Beautiful bright lighting. Look at this. Well, this is one of the first bedrooms right here. Nice and bright with the beautiful fan. Check out the closet. Spacey. Good enough to put your kids' clothes in there. Maybe store some storage. That's what we all do. Like I said, look at the lighting. Beautiful fan, beautiful lighting. And you got your main oven right here. You don't like cooking? Make your husband make you some cookies. Come on, come on. Follow me. Here we have your utility room. And yes, we're in Texas. Texas door holder. Come on to the main bathroom over here. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know what all this stuff does, but it's beautiful. Look at this beautiful spacious shower right here. Beautiful spacey restroom. Storage. We got storage. We got storage. We got storage. Come on back. Follow me. Follow me. And this will be your main bathroom, I think. And I'm not even smart enough to open a closet, so. But it's a spacious closet. Josie, did I miss something?
Yes.
What did I miss? Yes, and I'm forgetting another bedroom. See, this house is so big, and I'm missing right another bathroom. Come on back. So as you guys know, these people are in the process of moving. So, just remember that. Spacious room. Spacious closets. Very spacious. I like that bar right there. All right, and here will be your AC unit, I believe. Come on back. Look at that. You got it locked? Sweet. Come on, come on. There's more to show. There's more to show. Come on back. Josie, is the back door open?
Should be.
Should be. Look at this. Whew. You got a nice size lawn back here. You can make yourself a nice deck, cook out. Take the shade underneath these beautiful tall trees right here. Look at that. Nice and shady. Beautiful. Beautiful. Texas is hot, but underneath the shade, you won't be that hot. What do you think, Josie?
I like it.
Beautiful, beautiful little spot to make yourself some burgers. Bring your family. Whew.
So if anybody has questions, how can they get a hold of you?
Okay, my name is Josie Martinez of White Rock Realty. My number is 512-903-2809. Call me if you're looking to invest, to buy, to sell. For commercial properties, I can help you.
Villalobos Homes, 815-822-7763, or you can get a hold of my team lead,
815-343-3068.